Tech layoffs are skyrocketing. Companies are slashing jobs everywhere. But what if you could make yourself unfireable? The key? Future-proofing your career with these 10 high-demand tech jobs. Stay until the end. Number 1 will surprise you, and it doesn't require coding. Millions of jobs are disappearing, but others are booming. The old way, get a degree, work 9 to 5, hope for the best, is fading fast. The new way, adapt, pick smart skills, and stay ahead of automation. And no, you don't need to be a coding genius. Some of these jobs pay 6 figures with just online training. Let's dive in. Number 10, AI ethics consultant. Salary, $90,000 to $180,000. As artificial intelligence spreads, companies need experts to ensure fairness and prevent bias. If you understand ethics and tech, this is a golden opportunity. Number 9, cybersecurity analyst, $85,000 to $200,000. Hacking threats are rising, and businesses are desperate for protection. Training takes less than 6 months online. Number 8, prompt engineer, $100,000 to $300,000. AI tools like ChatGPT need well-structured prompts. Learn how to write them effectively, and companies will pay you well. Number 7, AI video editor, $70,000 to $150,000. AI tools are transforming video production. If you master Runway, Pika, or similar tools, you'll always be in demand. Number 6, VR and AR developer, $80,000 to $170,000. With Meta and Apple investing heavily, this field is exploding. You can start learning for free using Unity or Unreal Engine. Quick question, which of these jobs interests you most? Drop a comment below and I'll respond to the best ones. Now, the top 5 careers. Number 1 is surprisingly easy to break into. Number 5, AI content strategist. Salary, $90,000 to $200,000. Companies need AI-driven content marketing. If you can use Jasper AI, Copy.ai, or other content automation tools, you can secure a high-paying role. Number 4, data privacy officer, $95,000 to $210,000. With privacy laws like GDPR getting stricter, businesses need experts to keep them compliant and avoid hefty fines. Number 3, AI-powered sales consultant, $80,000 to $250,000. Cold calling is outdated. Businesses now use AI-driven sales strategies. Learn AI sales tools, and you can carve out a lucrative niche. Number 2, digital well-being coach, $70,000 to $150,000. Burnout is a massive issue. If you understand both technology and wellness, major companies will hire you to help employees manage their digital habits. And finally, the number 1 future-proof tech job, AI workflow automator. Salary, $100,000 to $300,000. Businesses want efficiency. If you can automate tasks using Zapier, Make.com, or OpenAI tools, you can earn top dollar with minimal experience. Still worried about layoffs? Here's what to do next. I will continue to share videos on the latest high-tech hot jobs with path to get them. Click subscribe now. Which of these jobs would you choose? Drop a comment below. And let's talk. And don't forget to subscribe for more future-proof career tips.